Are you ready to take your Messenger chat game to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to easily view chat settings on Messenger on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Messenger account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chat section where you can see all your recent conversations. Step 2. Find the chat that you want to view the settings for. Whether it's a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, make sure you locate the chat that you're interested in. Step 3. Open the chat by clicking on it. This will bring up the conversation window where you can see all the messages that have been exchanged. Step 4. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the 3 dots at the top of the chat window. Click on these 3 dots to access the chat settings menu. From here, you'll be able to see a variety of options, such as changing the chat color, setting a nickname for the chat, muting notifications, and more. Take some time to explore these settings and customize your chat experience to your liking. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view chat settings on Messenger on your PC with the new update. Give it a try and enhance your messaging experience today. Thank you for watching.